Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to switch off or power off your device without using the power button. So in this device you already know to switch off the device we need to use the power button and the volume up button. Now you can see the window for restart, power off and the emergency SOS. So I will show you how to switch off or power off the device without using power button. So using this accessibility shortcut menu, you can see this is the accessibility shortcut menu. So using this one you can easily switch off the device. Just tap on this accessibility shortcut menu. So here you can see the option power. Tap on this one. So you can see the same window you can see here to restart, power off, SOS. So to power off your device, tap on this button and swipe down like this. Simply you can see the device is now power off. So in this way you can switch off or power off your device without using power button. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.